Before we started music, we had Ace of Sour. I saw the truth, would turn it down, then I heard the sirens. I pull over, man, but I keep it silent.
What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the Evolve YouTube channel. Jason here again in the syrup garage. Today we're going to be doing a Y pipe install and a single exit on my G37. Alright, first things first, I'm hungry. I ordered some tacos from the local taco joint, so we're going to go pick up our tacos inside the truck.
I do what they can, yeah, I feel like the man. I gave you a chance, yeah, got blood on my hands. I run in the bands, I do what I can. I do what they can, yeah, I feel like the man. Diamonds they dance, yeah, you know what I'm saying. I gave you a chance, yeah, got blood on my hands. I run in the bands, I do what I can. I do what they can, yeah, I feel like the man. Diamonds they dance, yeah, you know what I'm saying.
Alright, I got my tacos. However, we need to make a quick stop and fill up some diesel.
I caught the Louis, the hole in my pants. I don't have friends, cancel my plans. Open to a browser, I shop for some bands. Stop feeding niggas, kept biting my hand. Niggas is fans, bitches is fans. They did me dirty after I gave them a chance. Niggas is corn. I run in the bands, I do what I can. I do what they can, yeah, I feel like the man. Diamonds they dance, yeah, you know what I'm saying. I gave you a chance, yeah, got blood on my hands.
Alright guys, I'm back home. Update on the car as well. I did also install Steel and Gen 3 long tube intakes with the Z1 velocity stacks. As you can see right there behind the grill, 1 and 2. I'll be making a video on that, showing you guys how to install them. Alright, so right now on the car, there's a muffler delete and also 2.5-inch non-resonant test pipes from Kinetics. I'll be taking out the stock catback system and I'll be doing a ISR 2.5-inch to 3-inch Y pipe. And then also I have a HallBuiltPerformance 3-inch single exit all the way back with a 5-inch burnt tip and a Helmholtz resonator to help with the rasp. Okay, so everything on the from the test pipe to the Y pipe is all, you know, typical regular exhaust, gaskets and hardware. After the Y pipe though, my exhaust will then turn into a V-band, and here's my 3-inch V-band planned right here. These work great when put on properly. Alright, so unfortunately I cannot get you guys a before clip. I will be able to get the after clip. My battery is dead right now. It's been unplugged for a little while because I'm still in the process of bagging it. So there's no power to the car, battery's dead, can't make an exhaust clip. Alright, first things first, you're going to want to jack up your car. It doesn't matter whether you're doing all four or just one side. I'm going to be doing one side. Alright, so I got the car up on one side, front and rear of the driver's side. So once you're under here, your Y pipe bolts, and for both the front and rear of the Y pipe are going to be 14s, whether it's a bolt head or the nut. Both are going to be 14s. You got 2 on this side, 2 on the other side, and then 2 right here to take the Y pipe off. Alright, so the exhaust is out. There's a Y pipe and the old catback. So the only bolts you need to take out are the 14mm for the Y pipe, and then your actual catback piece will just drop out because there's some hangers here on the tips. There's one on each side, and you just pull the hangers out itself and then it'll just drop down. Alright you guys, so I got the stock exhaust out, right? Alright, so my new exhaust, all the bolts and nuts, like all the hardware actually ended up changing. It'll be a 16 head bolt and then a 15mm nut. So I now have the Y pipe on, as you can see right there. There's my test pipes in the front, and then there, right there's my V-band flange. And like I said, V-bands work best whenever they're done properly. Here it is, my car. It's got pretty good clearance. And don't worry, I will be doing flybys, I will be doing idle revs so that you guys can all get a feel for what it sounds like. There's hardly any drone at all whatsoever because I do have the Helmholtz on there, and most VQ owners know they have a lot of rasp. There's not a lot of rasp. The Helmholtz will help really a lot. And also in the last video I did with my car, you guys saw that I didn't have the management or any of my airlines and stuff like that. I did get all that stuff in. At the moment, the only thing I'm waiting to get is my air tray, like for the tank of the compressors and the manifold, and also my struts, which should be coming here sometime soon in the middle of September. Another update for you guys on my wheels. Finally, I will be getting them this week, coming Thursday, and I'll put them on the car for the time being until I get my struts and my air management tray in, so I won't be on these stockies no more. I'll have my Ford Stars in, I'll have them on the car, because I got them as a wheel and tire package where they come with tires and also sensors and everything already. Alright y'all, this is day 2 of the exhaust video. I wanted to let it sit for a day so I can get a cold start for you guys, and then I'm also going to do the flybys today. I do have to push it out of the garage so that way there's no echo whenever I start it up. Hopefully it starts. This car is known to die pretty frequently, to be honest. I'm gonna go ahead and connect the battery and then put it in neutral and roll it out. So I do have to fix or see what it's rattling on, because I think the hem holes hits on the actual metal panels underneath here by the bumper. So whenever it starts up cold, it makes a rattling noise. So I do have to check that out and figure out what's going on with that. But now it's time for flybys. Alright y'all, that's all I got for you today. be sure to stay tuned for the next upcoming mods and install videos I have for you. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
I do what I can.